Thokozani, welcome back to channel yami. Bantu abadala Qamagwini. I'm getting comments, people saying, Coco, you look pretty, thank you so much. But it's a filter. It's a filter. I wish. Yabona nayi pimple now, it's starting to creep in. 1, 2, but anyways, yeah. But yeah, ngingacamba manga don't have pimples. Lawa I creeper in, I don't know. I happy, but anyway, they'll disappear soon. And of which that's the topic for today. Angifuna ukukhuluma ngama signs that show that one has ischito, right? But me having pimples does not amount to me having ischito, right? Sometimes it's the fact that you're not eating right, uncolile ngaphakathi, which is you need to usebenzisa isisu clean, or sometimes it's the products that you're using, or sometimes it's that time of the month whereby we know as women, when it's the time of the month, uvela amapimple, for some it's a sign. So yeah, but kunalaba abavela amapimple nawe umbona ukuthi hayibo uyanyanyisa wena, unyanyanyisa nje isichitho it's that bakuchithe ebantwini, uyanyanyisa, awuthandeki, uba mubi, nanoma ungayenzanga lutho nkosami, ngathi umthakathi omunye nkosami esingamazi ukuthi ubuyaphi. So you will have amapimple amaningi aphuma igazi anyanyisayo, that even if you go to dermatologists or you go for medical help, nobody can be able to assist you. Then it's okay, let me go consult, or let me use izinto zesintu, to get rid of isichitho. Abanye benu uyanuka ngaphansi, be it umuntu wesifazane or be it umuntu wesilisa, abanye baze bacanga ukuthi probably it's an STI, of which it might not be an STI. Uthola ukuthi isichitho nje esifakwe nje ngaphansi, yabo. Abanye benu you get into places, umuntu nje just hates you for no reason, just hates you for no reason. And it's not only one person, it's a lot of people, and it happens in different environments. Then it's okay, what, ngishawe ngesichitho lana. And isichitho is very dangerous, because if you take time, you don't heal isichitho sakho, then it might be severe to the point of by the time uthi papa sesingenelele, and it won't be easy for ukuthi usilaphe. Hence, it's advisable that when you go to a healer, you must have follow-up sessions. If a healer heals you, isichitho, you must have like follow-up sessions, because now angeke sihambe at once, right? Angeke sihambe at once. It's a fight, it's a process, and ningaphela amandla. Don't automatically write off a healer and be like, they were not able to heal me. No, they were able to heal you, just that when ujahile, ujahile, and for spiritually gifted people, isichitho can also affect your spiritual life, meaning singakwazi ukuthi sikuvala amaphupho ngoba manje idlozi alikwazi ukuthi osondele. Hence the concept in the Bible whereby it says that uNkulunkulu akahlali endaweni engcolile. So ufana nokuthi umuntu ongcolile, so idlozi alikwazi ukuthi lisondele kuwena. You understand? So yeah, so capelani, who you sleep with, capelani. I had a friend, isichitho sakhe sangena ngokuthi kwaza something sort of like impukane yamala la, then wazinwaya. Ukuzinwaya kwakhe, that was the beginning of a nightmare. Ubungamsaba kwawena mombo ukuthi but yeah, after years and years of struggle, more than 5 years or so, only recently she was able to get healed and get rid of isichitho. So yeah, why ngasathandeki? I love popping pimples. I don't know if there's people who love popping pimples. I even love watching your Dr. Pimple. like for me it's fascinating, but if there was such a career in South Africa, I would have went for that career straight from, high school, the way I love. But our kid was those ones that I can't touch. Niggas, but I love popping pimples. The minute I see somebody with a pimple, ngathi ngiyamkhalela, ngathi yabo. And then if somebody pops uh my pimple, I just fall asleep and ngathi don't stop. So yeah, but anyway, that's what I wanted to share. Thokozani lesedi khanya qama kunda we share we.